think one of the most challenging modules for me was the one on exotic derivatives pricing. Although the stochastic calculus can be a bit difficult, it was very fascinating to see how the maths is being used to create pricing models. It was also the first real module that allowed us to get into a deep dive into the open source risk engine.
I intend to utilise the skills and new risk capabilities I have accumulated over the past few months by applying them to my everyday role at Acadia. The course provides an extensive knowledge around the workings of the open source risk engine, Python and Jupyter skills. This will allow me to be more efficient.
I definitely recommend this course to anyone out there looking to learn more about risk or extend their risk knowledge. The course covers everything from pretty much the crisis in the industry that took place after 2008 all the way up to now, where we are implementing regulatory changes that has had an impact on the industry.